Aloha, I'm Chef Michi and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin and tomato mac and cheese. So let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. While your pasta is cooking, you can start the sauce. Pour the milk into a large saucepan and gently heat until it's hot but definitely not simmering. In a measuring cup, whisk the flour and oil until smooth, then drizzle into the milk, stirring constantly. Keep stirring until it just starts to thicken. Add 1 cup of shredded cheese, then blend in the pumpkin, the diced tomatoes with the liquid, and season with garlic granules and garlic salt. In a large bowl, mix the cooked macaroni with the cheese sauce, then transfer into a rimmed baking pan. Sprinkle with the remaining ½ cup of cheddar cheese and bake uncovered for 20 minutes or until heated through and the top is nicely browned. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.